Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn farm animals. This is a farm, a big farm. Here are roosters, and these are hens. These are cows. This is a horse. Look, these are sheep. This is a cat. It's a dog. White and black dog. Look at this. It's a goose. It's a goat. A white goat. Look, these are oxen. Wow, look at that. It's so cute. It's a little rabbit. A white rabbit. Now friends, let's revise these animals. Rabbit, cat, goose, horse, goat, cow, dog, hen, sheep, rooster, oxen. All the animals are farm animals because they live in farm. Now friends, we are in the end of the video. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment and follow me. Goodbye.